Welcome home to this magnificent home and desirable Calusa Trace. Home features popular split floor plan, formal living and dining rooms, large family room, high ceilings, decorative area, plenty of closet space, wood flooring, ceramic tile, and more. The updated kitchen features an abundance of wood cabinets, granite countertops, breakfast bar, closet pantry, and breakfast area. The family room opens to the kitchen and overlooks the pool and lanai area. Master suite features huge walk-in closet plus another large closet and master bath with dual sinks, garden tub and walk-in shower. Fourth bedroom and bath has a door to access pool area, perfect for extending family or in-law suite. Entertain outdoors on screen-covered lanai overlooking the heated saltwater pool. Solar panels and reclaimed water for grass use will save you money on your electricity bills and water bills respectively. Also featuring a newer heat pump for the swimming pool, wifi thermostat and ring doorbell. Calusa Trace has very low HOA fees, NOCDD and not to mention top-rated elementary, middle and high schools. Close to Veterans Expressway, Street. Joseph's Hospital, shopping and dining. Your chance to get in before the next school year.